Man, fucking lady woke me out of my sleep talking about they got children in the back of the trailer. I woke up like, hold up, man. I'm hearing a chick talking. I'm like, what the fuck going on, yeah? And she's speaking in Spanish and shit. So I'm like, man, what the fuck? What kind of Spanish lady fucking? I'm thinking, I'm parked over here by the fucking Planet Fitness. You dig? I'm asleep. I'm locked out. You hear me? So, you dig? I'm hearing a lady fucking speaking Spanish. You hear me? I'm like, what the fuck? So I get up. I'm thinking, cause like I parked over here before and got a ticket. I'm like a little outside Chicago. I parked over here and they got a ticket. The fucking police wrote me a ticket. So I'm thinking, man, they about to boot my shit or something, you hear me? So I hurry up and get up. I see this fucking lady. She got on fucking sweats or something, I don't know. But she was speaking Spanish, but she looked black. You dig? So I hop up. She putting her ear toward the trailer, you hear me? I'm like, what the fuck? So I open the door, I'm like, you good? She put her phone, she started recording me, you hear me? She was like, yeah, I'm hearing children in the back of the trailer. I'm like, what? I'm like, boy, I know you fucking lying. So I hop out, put on my shirt. Huh? All right. But I think something wrong.
Huh?
I think something wrong with her.
Yeah. I think so too. Like, how you hear that from way over there?
Oh, she was way over there? Oh, I ain't meet her. I don't even know her. Man, she can't. Hell no. Yeah, to me, I think something wrong with her.
Well, did you meet her? We
maybe.
don't give a fuck. Did you meet her or something?
Nah,
She's mad at
man,
you?
I was in the truck sleep.
Well, that's what I figured. All right.
Yeah.